legends are true. Here be the fountain of youth.
Look, there's more glyphs.
Make ye sure it doesn't fall into the claws of evil.
Claws, talons, potato, potato. I found the Fountain of Cortez, and I can't believe it, but you were right. The fountain works.
Show me.
Voila.
Soon, I will detonate this fountain in the atmosphere, turning everyone in the world into annoying babies. Because babies are annoying.
Wait, what? Your plan is to turn everyone into babies? That's ridiculous.
Ridiculously evil.
What about the people that are inside or have umbrellas?
Don't you think I've thought of that? Note to self. Figure out the people inside / umbrella thing.
No offense, but this doesn't seem like your best plan.
You know nothing, Talon. I've been plotting this insidious ploy ever since... Junior, why don't I have grandchildren? I want grandchildren! Fine, I'll give you grandchildren.
Uncle C, hello?
Stay at the fountain with Dr. Ithaca Marvins and wait for me. If anyone comes, turn them into babies.
Say cheese!
Cheese.
Oh, that'll be a good one. Well, this is the entrance to the great Inca temple first discovered by Cortez. Remember to stay on the path. There could still be ancient booby traps.
According to actual facts, this ancient statue represents the bird of complete and eternal silence.
Gadget.
Ah! Chief?
You weren't sent to Guadalmazil to be tourists. There's a more important mission. Dr. Ithaca Marvins has discovered the Fountain of Youth, and we have reason to believe Mad has turned her into a baby. Your mission is to rescue her, change her diaper, and then stop Mad from whatever they're up to. This message will self-destruct. I'm going to go ahead and join you on this one.
But you never go on the missions with us.
I want to help find the fountain so that I can not use it to roll back a few years. I mean, my mustache is showing a few grace. Anyway.
Penny, today you'll see the expert skills I picked up that summer I apprenticed as a babyologist.
Please, throw trash in garbage cans designed to look like bird statues. Thank you.
Seems fair. Remember, gang, we have a mission, but we also have to stay on the path.
Look after Uncle Gadget. Something tells me we won't find anything on this tourist path.
How long do I have to look after this baby? I'm a Mad agent, not a babysitter.
You seem to have forgotten your first job at Mad.
If you're mad and you know it, clap your hands. If you're mad and you know it, clap your hands. All right, you proved your point. Woocha, woocha. You are kind of cute, aren't you? Coochie, coochie.
Chief, looks like he'll make short work of Talon.
Jigs up, Talon. Back away from baby Dr. Ithaca Marvins. Oh, wow. The fountain really works.
It sure does, Chief Baby.
Brain, Chief Quimby's been turned into a baby too. Get Uncle Gadget to the fountain room quick times.
They thought this fountain was lost to time, but here it is. We found it, Brain. Brain, I know you want to play fetch, but now is not the time. That fedora is familiar. Ah, yes, Dr. Marvins. Everyone's been looking for you. Chief Quimby said you were a baby now, so of course you can't speak. Lucky I'm an expert babyologist. Don't be upset, Dr. Baby. I know what's wrong. Time to change your diaper. Stop crawling so quickly on two legs, Dr. Baby. Go, Gadget, changing table.
Ah, peekaboo! Ah, baby. Thankfully, no one is here to see this. It would totally ruin my rep. Ah, baby boo. Peekaboo! Peekaboo. Uh-oh. Babies? Babies?
Be quiet. Oh, what do babies like?
Babies?
It's Science facts. Did you know that all 3 levels of thermodynamics are...
Trying to kidnap what I rightfully kidnapped, huh? Take this!
Nice try, Talon, but you can't stop me from rescuing these babies.
You're not gonna rescue anything holding the babies like that. See, what you have to do is rock them gently, like this.
La-di-da-di-da, na-na. Huh?
I'm only showing you to highlight how much better at everything I am.
I can take care of babies.
You probably don't even know how to make silly noises, like this.
Ba-ba-bee-boo. I can do that. Bop-ba-bop.
Jeez, Penny, it's a lucky thing I have the babies. You probably don't even know how to burp them. Watch it, pro.
You can't run from nap time forever, Dr. Baby. Go, Gadget, baby catcher. I told you, you need a nap. Rockabye, Dr. Marvin, sleep time you see. Forgot the next part. Just 1 second, I'll remember the verse. Was it turned into a rabbit?
Here comes Qua's Mad Plane into the Mad Hangar. Oh. Think quick!
Watch it, Dr. Baby. Don't activate my Go-Go Gadget shuttle shoes. Baby, what happened to you? This water must be really dry on your skin.
Penny, you have to keep your eyes on the babies at all times.
I'm an HQ agent, not a babysitter.
Turning everyone into babies wasn't my plan.
Can you even make a plan?
You know what? I plan all day. But what do I get from you? Insults, that's what.
Great, you've scared him. I hope you're happy. Coochie, coochie, coochie.
Come on, Dr. Baby. You need exercise to smooth out those wrinkles.
Brain, what happened to you? You found a pool that ages you? Brain, that's perfect. We can use that to get the babies back to normal.
This might moisturize you. Brain, where have you been?
Looks like we win, Talon.
You're forgetting one thing. Where are the babies?
These old places always falling apart. This is what happens when you don't insulate for boulders.
Maybe we should run now?
Cardio. Always a good idea, Penny.
Run!
I need a breather.
No!
This whole place is falling apart. Go Gadget glue gun.
Brain, is this the basin of aging? Quick, dip the babies in.
Not so fast. I may be a good babysitter, but I'm also an evil babysitter.
Doesn't matter what type of babysitter you are, bath time is important.
Gadget?
Gadget!
Wowzers! Chief, what are you doing there? What's this?
Yes, Uncle Claw!
Too late, Gadget. Soon I will blow this fountain up, turning the world into babies.
Where are those bird statue trash cans when you need them? These pacifiers are no good for babies. Far too old and probably covered in germs. Ah, here's a trash can.
No, Gadget!
Uncle Claw, wait for me! Not again!
Thank you for saving me, HQ.
You saved Dr. Marvin's defeated Mad, and my mustache has never felt so luxurious. Must be a week younger.
Junior, where are those adorable babies you promised me? Next time, Gadget. Next time. Who are you talking to? Ma, quit it.
Evil Mail's here! Yes! My copy of Evil Teen Hourly. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't see you on the cover of Hairball Fancy.
Bill, bank stuff, Jim Head. Ooh, Evil U alumni news. Open it.
It's an invite from Evil University to their annual Catch a Good Guy Day. And this year, Gadget is the good guy. Someone's going back to school!
Yes, you. All the great villains sent their dropout henchmen to do their bidding.
Whatever. I already have a degree. I majored in handsome and minored in famous.
In what school? Doofus College?
Yeah, is that where you went? I bet your face was never on Evil Teen Hourly.
Set this to chill out, and it'll temporarily freeze any enemy.
Wowzers! Chief Quimby, ice to see you.
Yes, Gadget. Ice to see you, too. We just received an invitation for you to deliver the keynote address at Evil U. This message will self-destruct.
That sounds like a trap.
Oh, it's definitely a trap. But HQ never misses an opportunity to spread goodwill. That's why you're going undercover as a transfer student.
Penny crime?
It's your evil alter ego. Do you think you can handle being evil?
Please. If Ruth wasn't my middle name, it'd be Ruthless. First, I'll sneak into Evil U's caf and swap out all the sugar with salt. Moo! Then I'll replace the push signs on the doors with pull. They'll be pulling when they really should be pushing.
Freeze! I've always wanted to say that. Ah.
Time for Disguise 101.
My day is full of VIP activities.
Try the pomegranate. It's the bomb.
Why, thank you, young lady. I will. Look, Penny, a VIP welcome basket.
Remember, Uncle Gadget, we're at Evil U, so a fruit basket may not be exactly what it seems.
Nonsense. The only evil kind of fruit basket is one full of melon. Fruit basket flambe? Very VIP.
Brain, everyone on campus is out to get Uncle Gadget. Here's his itinerary. Shadow him. I'll be busy blending in.
Attention students, here are your morning announcements. Dolphins with Lasers class has been cancelled because the dolphins are now armed with lasers. That is all.
No walking on the grass. Phew, that was close. Wait, Evil Penny doesn't obey signs. Oh, I'll just take the path. I'm supposed to be bad.
Yo, you okay? Evil UID, Dark Arts membership, buy one, get one free bat. Oh, man! Well, I can't rob a fellow member of the Irony Maiden fan club.
I didn't step on the grass, I swear!
Relax, girl. I'm not the grass police. And even if I was, we're supposed to break the rules here.
Oh, yeah, totally. At Sinister State, I was a real rule breaker.
Name's malicious. My friends call me Mel, and my enemies, well, they don't call me at all.
I hear that. Up top. Right. Well, I'm Penny Crime.
Penny's too small time. I'ma call you Dollar Bill.